I was a waitress for 15 years, and I was a mother of 2 at the time. I worked day to day, paycheck to paycheck.
I worked at the outlet mall. I was picking up clothes off the floor. I just felt like I was going nowhere.
Capital Idea is a nonprofit organization, and what we do is we sponsor education for low-income adults to go back to school. We get to work with people that are in a place in their life where they know what I've been doing is not working for me, I want something different, and I'm ready to take that risk, that next step. For several years now, Capital Idea and the St. David's Foundation have been partners, and they've continued to support our students who are going into the healthcare field.
Through our Healthy Futures grant area, we're funding a healthcare workforce development initiative through Capital Idea. Capital Idea brings the case management and brings the supporting services that they need to maneuver through and navigate the system of higher learning.
We cover their tuition, textbooks, basically everything they need to be successful in school.
I went to Capital Idea orientation and I got screened and I got accepted.
After you find out your results, then you meet with the director. She went through my folder, my packet, my results. She just said, "All right, I'll see you at graduation." And that, I wanted to cry, I just was sitting there with her and I couldn't believe it. It was like, you won the lottery.
I was assigned a counselor that was with me the entire way.
We start with them at the beginning, we're there with them till the end. We're going to stick it out as long as they're willing to.
Finishing a program and then getting a job, I mean, that's huge.
Once they finish, we connect them with our employer coordinator to start looking at work, talking about resume skills, interviewing skills, trying to get everything ready.
As a manager, a program like Capital Idea will help to assist us in recruiting the nurses that have been trained adequately, that understand the importance of nursing care.
It's very satisfying to know that I did something productive today. I took care of somebody's loved one.
When I graduated from Capital Idea, I was proud of myself. My family was proud of me.
I felt completed. I felt like I had accomplished my dream and that there was no stopping me at that point.
So it was just a sense of, okay, my life is starting. You know, that feeling of being in a dead-end road was gone.
It's not about just having a job and another paycheck. It's about having education and having choices.
It has changed my life. I'm living proof that Capital Idea works. I'm living proof that education works.
I've wanted to be a nurse since I was 3 years old, and I'm finally getting to do it.